just going to start talking to fill the void. In part because Adam can't hear me talk, so he has no idea what I'm saying.
Wish I could hear what she was saying.
Unfortunately, you're going to be subjected to stream of consciousness. So hopefully that's not too much of a pain. I was a little bit skeptical when I found out he bought the Moto Guzzi. He did the first test drive up in Richmond, and I did not like the sound of the bike, honestly. And I sat on the back seat, and it was so
neutral. Chile.
Sorry, fun turns. There aren't that many in here in Hampton, so I enjoy them when I can. Dock seat that was on it was just the world's most uncomfortable seat. As a Pillion rider, as a regular rider, it's probably fine, but there's not a lot of space in the rear. And this seat is so much nicer. I actually have room, and I can see things. Because on the Bonneville, I can't see anything except his back. So it's nice to be able to see. But yeah, now that he's brought it home, I don't know what it was about starting it, that bike, when I heard it at the dealership, just did not impress me. But then once he brought it home, started it up, it sounded so much different. I don't know if they kept the stock exhaust on it, so I don't know what it was. Maybe it was the way it bounced around the buildings or something, who knows. I wonder if you could see my face.
Bloody tourists.
Oh, I think we're hitting 20. Oh, no, we're slowing down.
Much later.
And let's go the right speed. You can do it. Oh, no, no. No, you can't. Oh, God.
Much later.
Maybe he'll turn into the parking lot and he will park. Because he's eyeballing it. He's turned like half of his body to look out the passenger window. There's the turn signal. I knew you had it in you. X5. Just saw Adam shake of the head. Now we can hear the engine. I don't know if you can see my silly grinning face, but that's my favorite part. Open road, sound of the engine. Nice day. It's the best. Geese didn't even move.
Sunglasses deployed. This is kind of nice with the new pavement. Drastic improvement. This used to be rough and choppy. Now it's just moderately rough and choppy. So, what'd you think?
I wasn't impressed at first, I'll be honest. But I don't know how much of that was I was disappointed that I couldn't ride it when I was at the dealerships. And the seat was uncomfortable, and so it just kind of threw me off.
Yeah, the stock Moto Guzzi seat was not very nice.
Not very comfortable.
The Corbin seat that they threw in with the deal is awesome.
Is where it's at, honestly. I just laughed so much when I sat on the stock seat at the dealership. It says on the back like comfort gel or something. Their definition of comfort and mine were definitely two different things.
Yeah. Okay, well, like, subscribe, ring the bell, all the things.
All the things, more cowbell.
So much cowbell. There you go.